Welcome to this short video on selection filter, which is part of the new Toolkit for AutoCAD. In this demonstration, I'm going to use the selection filter, and this selection filter basically is showing you everything that you have in your model and gives you ways to be able to select them quite easily. To demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Toolkit for AutoCAD. Come over here to the selection filter panel. We're going to select the selection filter command. The selection filter dialog box comes up. In here it shows you grouping. It says show only visible entities. So these are the only ones we can see on screen. We can group by layer, by type. So if I want to go find certain blocks, certain lines, or we can do it by type and layer. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go by layer. And let's say I want to go find every single block on a certain layer. So I'm going to say, let's go find all the blocks on V control benchmark here. So I could easily do it that way. I'll go OK. And now you can see those blocks have been selected. I'm going to escape. Let's do it again. Come up here to selection filter. This time we're going to go by type. And in this situation, I can go to blocks. And I wanted to find all those blocks that were on that one layer, so I could easily go in here and grab all those blocks that way. Click OK. And now you can see I've got those blocks selected. This concludes this short video.